Good morning students, welcome back. In today's video we are going to discuss about the countable and uncountable nouns. Okay. In English language we have nouns, and nouns are called as naming words, name of animal, place, animal or a thing, and they have got different types. Proper noun, common noun, abstract noun, concrete noun. So all of these nouns we have discussed, and today we are especially going to emphasize on the countable and uncountable noun. In English language, we have got most of the nouns are countable nouns. Okay, and countable nouns are those which can be counted. Okay, example: table, fridge, chair, lamp. Now you must have noticed that I have written numbers before them. 2 table, 1 fridge, 4 chair, 2 lamp. What are these? Countable nouns. With the countable nouns, we can use numbers. Okay, we can add numbers to show how many are there. Okay, 2 table, 1 fridge, 4 chair, 2 lamps. So the main thing is that with the countables now, we can easily count and we can give them a number. Okay, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, like that. Now the countable nouns have got singular and plural form. What are they? Let's see. They have singular and plural forms. Example: 1 table. 1 table means 1, that is singular. 4 chairs. 4 is plural. Example: there is 1 fridge in the room. There is 1 fridge in the room, meaning it is singular, only 1 fridge. Another example for plural: there are 4 chairs in the room. Okay, so the countable nouns have got singular and plural forms. When it is 1, when it is counted as 1, when only one thing is present, only 1 table, 1 fridge or 1 bench is there, it is singular in form. The moment it becomes 4, 5, more than 1, it becomes plural. Okay? So that is why it says they have singular and plural form. But don't forget that we have to use numbers for the countable nouns. Okay? Now coming to uncountable nouns, you can see some nouns are uncountable, which cannot be counted. Okay? We cannot put a number before them. Example: luggage, paper, furniture. What it says that we cannot put a number 4, 2, 1. We can't do this. Okay? We can't put numbers before the uncountable nouns. Okay? Again, they have no plural forms. Luggages, papers, furniture, we can't use them as plural form. Okay? Example: water. Water is uncountable noun. Okay? We can use some water, a little water, much water. Now understand it with an example, with a sentence. There is some water left in the glass. There is some water left in the glass. There is a little water left in the glass. Okay? So remember one thing, that uncountable nouns, we don't put the numbers before them. We cannot use them. They have got no plural form. Okay? So that is the major difference between countable and uncountable noun. Whenever we mention uncountable noun, we don't use numbers. 1 water, 2 water, you can't write. Instead, we can write some water, a little water, much water. Okay? These are the examples for uncountable noun. Now, one more thing that you have to understand over here is that never use a or an with uncountable nouns. Okay? We do not use a or an for the uncountable nouns. Instead, we can use some. Use some, it will be right. But if you use a or an, it becomes wrong. Example: some luggage. We can make a sentence like this: we have some luggage with us. Okay, we have a luggage with us, you can't write it. Okay, because it is uncountable noun. That is why I wrote do not use a or an. Again, some paper. I have some paper left in my bag. Some furniture. We have some furniture in our house. Okay, so this point says that we do not use a or an with the uncountable nouns, but we use some. Okay. Now the last thing that you have to understand is that there are ways to quantify an uncountable noun. Okay, there are ways, certain ways where you can count. With the help of few words, you can count the uncountable nouns. How can you do that? Let's see. We use measure words or counters to count the uncountable noun. Now, what are these measure words or counters? Let's see. Example: 1 glass of water, 1 box of cereals, 2 bars of soap. Now over here, the uncountable nouns are water, cereals and soap. Okay? Read the definition again. We use measure words or counters to count the uncountable noun. What are the measure words over here? Glass, box, bars. Now all these words that I have underlined, they all are countable nouns. Okay, and we use them as counters or measure words. And that is how we quantify the uncountable nouns. Okay, now I am going to explain you all about the exercises that I am going to give you. And according to the given instruction, the way I explain it to you, you have to follow those instructions and work out those exercises. Okay? Okay students, the exercise that I have posted on your WhatsApp group, in exercise A, you just have to identify which noun is it, either countable or uncountable. Okay? So in exercise A, the words are given and you just have to identify countable or uncountable. Scenery. Scenery is uncountable noun. Luggage, again uncountable noun. Advice, uncountable. Coat is countable. Okay? So you just identify which noun is it. Okay? And in exercise B, you have been asked to complete the sentences by adding countable and uncountable nouns. So here I have written 2 examples. We were not given much dash or many dash. Okay? We were not given much rice or many eggs. Okay? Coming to question number 2. Could you let me have a little more rice or sugar? Okay? A little more means we never use a or an before the uncountable nouns. And over here we have been given a little more, so we have to mention uncountable noun. Okay? So could you let me have a little more rice? Okay? Another example in your book is, in the box were a few chocolates and a lot of pies. Okay? In the box were a few chocolates and a lot of pies. Okay? Like that, all of you please do the exercise and work it out and send me the notes on my personal WhatsApp. Okay? Thank you.